Juniors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the name of different animals. Tiger. Tiger. Which animal is this? Yes, tell me. Tiger. Very good. Duck. Duck. Which animal is this? Yes, tell me. Duck. Very good. Which animal is this? I hope you are all like this animal. Very good. Cat. A cat. Very good. Horse. Horse. Which animal is this? Very good. You did well. Horse. Rabbit. Rabbit. Which animal is this? Do you know? Lion. Lion. Which animal is this? Tortoise. Tortoise. Which animal is this? Yes, it's your turn. Very good. Giraffe. Giraffe. Which animal is this? Giraffe. Moke. Moke. Which animal is this? Very good. Dog. Dog. Very good. Which animal is this? Which animal is this? Dog. Very good. You did well.